Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are going to have chapter number 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identity from your workbook. So dear student, here we are going to have some of the questions from the workbook also. As you know that in the beforehand, before your midterm exam, chapter number 1 to 8 is completed. Now we are going to consider chapter number 9. So let's have. So first question, as you know that, show the following on the number line. That you can do with your own. You have to show it on the number line. Second question we are having over here. Write whether the following expressions are monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. So as you know that while teaching you the chapter of from NCERT book, I had already given you many definitions related to this. So as we know, we are having monomial means a single term. Polynomial means that means it is containing more than 3 terms, isn't it? Trinomial means exactly 3 terms, binomial means 2 terms. So here what is ax square plus bx plus c? That will be containing 3 terms, so it will be a trinomial term. 4 plus 8 x cube, that means it is a binomial term. Next 4x minus 9y minus 9z, it is a trinomial term. Again 9pqr plus 10 is a binomial term. X plus y here you had written as a trinomial, but it will be a binomial term. Make the correction over here. Here it will be a trinomial term. Sorry, as it is a 2 term here, so it will be a binomial term. Okay, then next here I think I had written here like this. So here it will be 4 plus 9xy square is a binomial term, minus 4 is a monomial term, y square minus x square is a binomial term, minus 9x is a monomial term. Okay, so like this way you have to consider. As you know that 2 terms that means a binomial, single term that means a monomial, 3 terms that means a trinomial, and more than 3 terms it will be considered as a polynomial. Clear to everyone? So which will be the polynomial over here? The D part will be considered as the polynomial. Clear to everyone? Moving toward the matching of the question number 3 from the workbook. So x plus, here we have to do the matching. X plus y plus z will be, as it is having a 3 terms, so it will be considered as a trinomial. 8 minus 4xy, since it is containing 2 terms, that means it will be a binomial. Here 2 times monomial term is given, so 1 you have to cut and write binomial. Next, x plus y plus z plus a will be considered as polynomial because it is having more than 3 terms, and 9xyz will be considered as monomial term. Clear? So in this way you have to do it. So the last one, monomial term, you have to cut and write binomial term. Next question we are having, write 2 binomial with only y as a variable. With y as a variable, that means you have to consider an equation such that it will be considered 2 binomial, that means it will be considered a, here we can write this as an example because it is considering y is a variable. Again we can consider 2y square plus 3y. Any numbers you can write it while considering it a 2 terms, that means it should have 2 terms in it. Next, 2 polynomial with 4 or more terms. 4 or more terms, that means it should consider more than 4 terms. So 8x cube plus 3x square plus 9x plus 1 you can consider as 9y cube plus 3y plus x plus 2. This will be also containing 4 terms, so it can be also. So like this we have to arrange the term according to the question. What is the necessity of the question is given, according to that you have to write the answers. Okay, the D and the C part I had already given in the answers, you can note it. Next, moving toward the 5th question we are having. In the 5th question it is said that write 3 terms which are like. Which are like means uske jaise. Okay, so as we are having the first term as 9xy square, it is a monomial term as we know that. So we have to write the like term of it. So like term, that means its power should be 1 plus 2, that its power should be 3. What is the power of x? We are having 1, and the power of y we are having 2. Altogether the power of x and y will be equals to 3. So we have the powers as 3, so that will be considered as the like term. Okay, so 9x square 9xy square will be 3xy square xy square 4xy square. Okay, so this is a like term. That means you know now what is the I had already explained you about the definitions of like and unlike term. From that only you will understood this. Okay, so rest other part you can easily do with your own. Moving toward the sixth question, we are having the addition of p square plus q square plus r with the term m square plus n square minus q square minus 2q square is. That means what you have to do over here, you have to add both the term and get the result. Now look how to add the term. What the number we are having? We are having as p square plus q square plus r square. Okay, will be added, that means plus will come, will be added with which term? M square plus n square minus p square minus 2q square. This is the term we are having, isn't it? So first we are going to make the pair of the like term, as p square will be make pair with the minus p square, then plus q square will make that pair with minus 2q square, then rest other it does not have any pair, so it will be remain as it is. Okay, like r square plus m square plus n square, so it does not have any like term with that, so we cannot make any pair with them. So here we can see that plus p square minus p square will be cancelled, we will get the result as 0 over here. Then plus q square minus q square, so here as we know that plus 1 minus 2 will be equals to minus 1, so here minus q square will be the result, plus r square plus m square plus n square, isn't it? So what is the answer whole together we will get? We will get the answer as minus q square plus r square plus m square plus n square, which I had already written over here. Clear to everyone? Moving toward the second part of the question number 6, we are having here in this question it is asked to subtract the term. The terms is being given 8x square y minus 4xy plus 4xy square minus 4p plus 9 from, okay, from which term you have to subtract? 9xy plus 11xy square minus 9p. As you know that when from comes, that means the first term will become the second term and the second term will become the first term, isn't it? Then only you will get subtract. So I will write and show you how to subtract. First term here we will write 9xy plus 11xy square minus 9p will be subtracted. The subtraction sign will come, so we will keep each and every term inside the bracket. Okay, so it will be here 8x square y minus 4xy plus 4x square y minus 4p plus 9, like this. Okay, so after doing so, we will open the bracket and we will make the minus sign get multiplied with each of the term, and after that you have to make the pair. Making the pair and following the operation, you will get the required answer as 7xy square minus 8x square y plus 13xy minus 5p plus 9. This is the required answer. Just आपको क्या करना है? Subtract करना है. In the same way, C part of the question we are having addition of 4mn plus 8mn, comma, in place of comma plus sign will come, 8mn minus 4n, comma 3 plus 2mn minus 4n. Okay, so as I had done the first part, in the same way you have to do for this also. Here we are having the three terms, so in place of comma first put plus sign and then make the pair of the like term and then solve it. You will get the required answer as 14mn plus 4m minus 4n plus 3. Clear? Moving toward the next question we are having. The next question, write the product of, that means you have to do the multiplication, isn't it? So multiplication of the number we are having here, when 4m will be multiplied with 2n and then multiplied with 3q. So 4 multiplied with 2 will be 8, 8 multiplied with 3 will be 24, isn't it? M and q will be remain as it is. So 24 m and q is the required answer. Clear? In the same way you have to solve each and every part of this question as I had told you earlier in the NCERT book. So look from that, understood, and solve each and every part. Multiplication just you have to multiply and solve. Clear to everyone? So here we are going to end our video for this class. In the next class we will do another question from chapter number 9. Okay, this will be a kind of revision for you people student. Okay, so for today, thank you everyone.